You know Parks Lincoln is Central Florida's award-winning dealership and the place to get your new pre-owned Lincolns along with an array of high-quality vehicles. But what you may not know is that we have a full collision center should you encounter any fender benders along the way. We understand how important your vehicle is to you. From the moment you bring your car in, a member of our expert team will guide you through the process and make sure that you and your car receive the best in care. From painting to collision repair and much more, no job is too big or too small. For the major jobs, we have frame machines that feature the latest technology. Our paint booth is second to none. The primary goal of our certified technicians is to get your vehicle back to the factory specifications. Our collision department services all makes and models and supports our dealerships across Tampa Bay. We work with all major insurance companies and will take care of everything for you from start to finish. We hope you stay safe out there, but when that accident happens, come to Parks Lincoln Collision Department. We'll put a smile back on your face and get your vehicle back on the road.